So while in America today there was a lot of controversy going on, and that's relating to politics, and I'm not going to talk about politics because I think most people are pretty divided on that, and I don't want to give my opinion, and then some people get a bad taste in their mouth. So I'm not going to get into anything revolving around what I personally believe or what I agree with or disagree with. All I'm going to say is that some stuff went down today in Washington, D.C. One person happened to die, and there was a lot of fighting, and there was a lot of, crazy stuff going on today. But ultimately, it looks like, that is coming to an end. I mean, stocks were not affected by this. Which is, kind of weird. You would expect the stock market to at least be down in after hours, but it wasn't. It actually was up. And crypto surprisingly went, or not surprisingly, because crypto is uncorrelated to the traditional financial system, but a lot of people were expecting it to spook most of the markets, but crypto was not spooked at all. Ethereum touched about 1,200 today. It's not going to show it on the chart for whatever reason, but it did. Actually, I think it is showing it. It touched 1,200 today. Bitcoin rose to 36,000 US dollars. Crazy numbers. And we are closing in. We are getting very close to a $1 trillion market cap. I've said multiple times, I'm going to do a separate video on that if once we hit that $1 trillion market cap and how significant that is. But Ethereum is on a tear lately, and it's really exciting me because it's still not even up to its all-time high. So Bitcoin is going to double its all-time high, right? So Bitcoin's all-time high, about 20 grand. It's going to easily pass 40 grand, okay? Ethereum's not even back to its all-time high of 1,400 yet. So if Bitcoin could double its all-time high, I think there's a very clear case Ethereum could double its all-time high, which would put the price of one Ethereum at about $2,800. I know I mentioned this in the last video, but today we get closer. We hit 1,200. Yesterday we were at 1,100. Bitcoin yesterday we were at 35K. Today we're at 36K. Right now, the crypto markets are looking very hot. They're looking very stable. They're looking like a lot of money's coming in. Now, one key thing I want to make in this video is that the retail investors they're actually not super invested yet. Okay, and you might be kind of curious. Well, what's that really mean? It means there's more room to run. This bull run has been mostly fueled by institutional investors. There's been some retail, of course, obviously there's gonna be some. But what stats have shown is this crypto bull run, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever you want to, XRP, has been primarily, although XRP was a different story with what happened with the SEC. But this crypto bull run is primarily fueled by institutional, which is why it's going so crazy right now. Now, once the institutional starts to tap out a little bit, maybe they feel like they're overexposed, that does not mean we're ready for a pullback, because very likely we'll have a small pullback, and then the retail buyers jump on pushing prices even higher, okay? Now, this is not financial advice, but I really think Ethereum is undervalued right now. Ethereum is very undervalued. It has a tremendous amount of utility value. It has a tremendous amount of use cases, and it's not even back to its all-time high, right? So if you buy Ethereum now, I know it's kind of scary buying it when it's gone up so much, but I don't necessarily want to say that that's a horrible thing. Is it a good thing? Obviously hindsight's 2020. You wish you were buying all the way over here. But right now, Ethereum is looking like a very undervalued play, not even back to its all-time high, has room to run. Bitcoin's hitting 36K. The world's crazy right now. 2020, everyone thought 2020 was, crazy, but 2021 is off to a pretty crazy start with everything happening with politics, with the economy, with, all these different things going on. The one thing that has been positive so far, in my opinion, has been the crypto markets. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I know this video is kind of all over the place, but I want to give a quick update. And yeah, that's it for this video. Have a great day. There has never been a better time to get a VPN. Right now, PureVPN is giving 62% off of their 1-year plan and 88% off of their 5-year plan if you use my link in the description. That again is 88% off of their 5-year plan and 62% off of their 1-year plan. If you're worried about hackers or intrusive government gathering your personal information, look no further than PureVPN. But you have to act now because this discount will not last. Once again, click the link in the description.